Hi honeys, it's Michelle. I am here with my first ever Stitch Fix box. I wanted to try it out, see what I thought. It's kind of like the other two boxes that I've done. This one is $20 a box, and if you buy anything in the box, you get a $20 discount from what you're buying. The shipping is free. You just put it in a return envelope and send it whatever you don't want back, so it's real easy to use. Okay, it says, "Hi Michelle and welcome to Stitch Fix. My name is Lauren and I had so much fun styling you today. To give you a little idea of how this goes, I have selected styles and fits based off of your style profile. For instance, I see that you work from home, so your dress is very casual. That said, I also noted that you like feminine pieces for date nights and that you enjoy going out to museums and galleries. Additionally, I see it's heating up in St. Petersburg, so I've made sure to include summer-friendly pieces. With that said, I have selected styles and fits for you today that match these preferences. Feedback is important in this process, as the more we hear from you, the more we can hone in on your style. So if you have any specific requests, or if you have any special events coming up, be sure to let me know. I hope you enjoy your new pieces." This is the Market and Spruce Cassie crochet detail top in a 2X. I'm looking over at the pricing over here. It's $54. I like how it's long in the back. Goes all the way down to halfway down my thighs. Although I don't know if my husband will like this shirt, because it covers up my butt. He likes my butt. Okay, speaking of my butt, show you the pants here. These are more of a high-waisted pants, but you do have to make some adjustments to keep them high on the waist. But here's that. Here's the buns, hon. Let's see, as far as the pockets go, they're not real deep, but they're not real shallow. They're just normal pockets. And these pants are cut from the cloth Dayne skinny jeans in indigo. They are a size 18, and they're $88. So they go all the way down to the ankle. They're fitted all the way down. Hi, Marty. You want to be in the video? Marty's back again. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. This top, it's got crocheted like a lace around the shoulders. So here's the next outfit. I really like this one. What do you think? Isn't it cute? Okay, so this is a skirt. It feels like it's polyester. That's what I would say if I were to guess. There's no slits on it. There's no pockets. It's a high waist, which I love. I love the color too. It's nice and summery looking. The top is a V-neck, feels like cotton blend top in black. Now, I'll admit, I probably have a couple tops just like this one already, but okay, so the top is Emory Park Dolce short sleeve knit top. It's black and a 2X for $34. That's not bad. And then the skirt is the Gilli RileyPrinted Maxi skirt in blue in a 2X for $48. Also not bad. Now I'm curious. Okay, so here's the shirt untucked with the skirt, which I still think is really cute. I'm curious though, what if I pulled this up? Would it work as a dress? What do you think? No? Probably a little too short right here, right? Because if you pulled it under the boobs, it'd be all the way down here. But what you could do is just have it at your waist and then have like a crop top on or something. I think that would still work. It's just so cute. I'm in love with this skirt. Right? Very thinning, I think. And feminine. I just realized the window's open and I'm showing my bra, so I guess it's not too big of a deal, but it's no different than having a bikini top on, right? Okay, last but not least, I put a pair of their PJs on the list to try out. So this is those. So it's an extra item. It wasn't one of the items that my gal Lauren picked out. I really like it, but it feels a little too big. Yeah, it's too big. So if I were to get this, look at, oh wow, yeah, look at all that room. So if I were to get it, I'd probably have to go down a size so it looked like this instead of like this. I do really like it though. It's very soft and cozy. I'm so sorry, you guys. This is why I'm moving to Vegas. When it gets humid like this, I cannot breathe. I'm constantly getting winded for no reason. My asthma just gets so bad. So I'm sorry about that. That's why I'm out of breath though. I wasn't just running around or anything. But yeah, so this lace is stretchy, which I really like. And then it's got the adjustable straps on the back. And it's just this really soft cotton. It kind of feels like those jersey sheets that you can get. I really like it. They also sent me this pack here of 3 bracelets, silver, gold, and rose gold. And they're these bangle bracelets. When I try to put them on, it's really tight to me. Like I'm a big girl, you know, and I mean it fits. It just feels really tight and not very comfortable. Like I feel like if I had it on all day, I'd constantly be like noticing it was on my wrist or something because it's so snug. So I think I'm going to have to pass on that. It's really cute though. I wish it wasn't quite so snug. And I like that it came in silver, gold, and rose gold. That was pretty cool too. This is the PJ Salvage Chemise. And it's gray and a 2X for $48. I might try to order one in a 1X just to see how it looks. Because if this fit nicely, I think this would be kind of pretty, right? And then the bracelets were Bancroft Doris 3-piece cuff set for $34. The grand total of all the items, not including this, was $258. If I bought all of the items, there'd be a 25% discount. So that would have been $64.50 off of the $258. And then if I got this, it would have been the $48. So if I got everything minus my styling fee of $20, it would be $221.50 that I would pay. I'm leaning towards the skirt and maybe probably getting this in a smaller size. I'm curious what you think. Let me know. If you were me, what would you keep? Would you keep anything or would you, sorry, let's try it like this. There we go. If you were me, would you keep any of it? Would you keep all of it? Would you keep none of it? What do you think? What did you like? Let me know. I only have 2 days to decide, so let me know right away, please. All right, thank you. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content of this video, please give me a like and subscribe.